Hey guys, so I got my Aria kit and diffuser in the mail yesterday. Tried it out last night for my first time, loved it, absolutely love it, it's beautiful. I wanted to show you a little bit information about the kit and how to set up the Aria diffuser and start diffusing, so I'll just get right into it. So first of all, in your kit, you will get oils. So this is the premium starter kit, the Aria, which is actually sold out right now. It's very popular, and I believe it might come back at the end of July. If not, hopefully sometime in August. We got really lucky with it. There was a time frame when we could order it, just because it's so popular and on demand. So anyways, these are some of the oils it comes with right here. We got peppermint, lemon, thieves, citrus fresh, digest, frankincense, lavender, panaway, valor, and raven. Some of these I haven't tried yet, but I could speak on some of them. Peppermint is really good for your digestive system. You can also use it, it's a vitality oil, you can use it in cooking. You can add it to water, peppermint water, very refreshing with some ice. You can also diffuse it if you mix it with lavender, it's really nice smell. Lemon I use, I add it to my iced tea. I love that. You can use this in your cooking as well. It's a vitality oil. It smells really good when you diffuse it by itself. Also, you could use lavender with that one as well. Thieves, haven't really used much of Thieves yet. Citrus Fresh. I know it smells amazing because my friend let me borrow some a couple weeks ago and I smelled it. But I haven't really used that and I don't know the full benefits of it yet. Digest, I know a lot of people carry this like around in their purse. It's really good for your, if you're feeling bloated, like after you eat a meal and you go out to eat, you can carry this in your purse or you can put it in a roller, which also, you get 2 rollers that comes in this kit. And you can, let me put this down. So let's say you wanted to use the digest if you know that you're going to go eat a big meal and you might not feel so well after, you got a stomach ache. You could just take the cap off this. There's a little plastic piece that you use when you like try to get the drops of oil out, but if you pop that off and get the roller, make sure the roller is facing down in the cap. Okay, so to get the roller on, you put the cap on top of here. Okay, you screw it on tight. Okay, and then you loosen the cap back up, and the roller should be sitting right nice on there. Okay, and then you could just easily roll it on your belly after a meal if need be, and it just pops off very easily. Pops right off. Okay, and then you put it back in the cap upside down like that. Put the plastic piece back on it. You can also buy sample rollers. Like I bought some off Amazon. Let me see, do I have them around here? I do. I got some off Amazon like this. And if you want, you can pour it into your own roller. And you can mix it just to make the oil last longer. You can mix it with coconut oil, like fragnated coconut oil, and then you just roll it anywhere you feel like it. I have a couple of these. I have one for Stress Away, which also comes with this kit. It's right here, Stress Away. I use that at nighttime. I work 3rd shift. And obviously don't get any sleep, so I come home to 3 kids in the morning. This works really well. I put it in a roller, roll it on the bottom of my feet and my wrists. So that's that for the rollers. Okay, so there's also Raven, which I haven't used yet. Valor, I'm going to diffuse today for the first time. I know it gives you a sense of confidence, which sometimes we could all use, especially me. I get nervous when I'm live on a video, so I'm going to actually diffuse that for you guys today. Panaway, I used the other night. It's good for pain relief, muscle soreness. I had muscle soreness in my knee for a few days. I couldn't bend my knee the right way, and I just rolled some of that right on to my kneecap, and within like 10 minutes, I was comfortable. I can move my knee. I had a very comfortable night's sleep. So that really works well. Love that. And you can also use it after like a workout if your muscles are a little sore. Go to the gym, carry it on you. I love lavender. It's one of my favorite oils. I restock on this one a lot. I love the way it smells when you diffuse it. This you can use, I use it at nighttime. It's like a calming, gives you a peaceful, calm night. You can also rub it on you. And then frankincense, I haven't really used yet, but it is to promote spirituality, excuse me. So like when I'm praying or worshiping or anything like that, I just put it in you could put it in your diffuser and diffuse that while you are doing that. So those are some of the oils, and then Stress Away, like I talked about already, and then Peace and Calming, I diffused that last night as well, and it was really nice. Love the aroma of it. Okay, so besides the oils, it comes with these Ninja X red little packets, and these are nutritional supplements. I haven't really tried them yet, but I've heard they're very good. I know one of the people that sells her Young Living uses them in ice pop trays, and she gives them to her daughter. These are very nutritional. I can't wait to try these, and when I do, I will get back to you guys on how they taste. I'm sure they're excellent. I hear a lot of good things about them. And also, you just get these mini Thieves hand sanitizer packets. They're good for giving out to people for samples. I will use these at my work probably. They're more convenient than carrying around a big bottle. So it just comes with those little samples, and then of course the Thieves cleaner, spray cleaner. I use this on basically any surface. It's good. It's chemical free, so it's safe to use if you have pets and kids, which I have both. I use these on my countertops, anywhere. It's like a strong cinnamon smell. It smells really nice. It gives the kitchen a nice smell. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put these oils away because I want to get right to the diffuser. One of my favorite parts. Love this diffuser. It's so pretty. And actually, so it also comes with a couple of like booklets, magazine guides, if you will. This is, if you're new to oils, it just explains to you, you can open up to whatever oil you are interested in using. It tells you how many drops to use. Like for the Vitality oils, it shows you like a recipe that you can make. Like this one is for lemonade. You could add your citrus fresh to it. That sounds really good, actually. I think I'm going to try that. I love lemonade. So they have kid scents too, which I didn't get in this kit, but I will be ordering that for my kids. So it explains all of the oils and how to use them. Okay, so we have that. It also comes with a product guide, and this is for when you sign up for the kit. You can buy the diffuser separately if you don't want to become a member, but to become a member, it's completely free. So when my husband did that, he got the whole kit, so it included everything in it. So this is the product guide. It does show you oils and how to use them and prices and everything, but it also shows you all of our other products. They have soaps, hand soaps, moisturizing soap. They have makeup, which is all chemical-free based stuff. They have different types of skincare solutions and serums. They have different types of healthy cooking. So they have like syrup, granola. You can even buy like your frying pans and stuff like that. They have all the prices in here. And it explains everything. They have shampoo, conditioner. I just bought the lavender body gel because I love the lavender scent, and it's so nice. It gives your skin a nice smooth feeling. The aroma is amazing. Just started using that as well. Dishwasher soap. These are the Thieves cleaning products. I just got this to the orange toothpaste, whitening toothpaste. I'm excited to use that. Okay, anyway, so I got a little off subject there because I just get so excited about these. It also comes with a cooking book for your Vitality oils, like thyme, parsley, cinnamon bark. You can use them in recipes. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so finally, let's get to the diffuser and how to use it. So the diffuser comes with a remote. It has power on, power off. There's an audio in this. It has like white noise, so if you have trouble sleeping, need some background sounds, it comes with that. So you can set it for 2 hours, 6 hours, or 12 hours. It has LED lights. They change different colors. And then, of course, your volume up and volume down, and I'll show you how to use that after we hook it up. It comes with this cord. You can actually hook it to your phone, put your own music on. Cleaning brush. Okay, so this is the bottom base, all right, and I turned it around. This is the S piece right here. It just clicks right into this plastic part, and you want to make sure that's on the inside of it. Then you have like this little, kind of looks like a pizza tray type thing. Okay, you can turn the diffuser around. It clicks right into here. Easy peasy. All right, now I have the logo facing the front because I just like it that way. And then this is the glass dome. This is where your steam will come out of, the blowhole. And so when I watched a YouTube video about this, I actually learned that you don't want the blowhole to be over this plastic part. You want it off to the side because then you'll get the most effect of the steam. Okay, I'm going to take the glass dome off and I'm going to pour some of my Valor inside of it. You could use however many drops as you want. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll start off with 9 just because I've never used this oil before. We'll see how it goes. If you need more, you can add more. It also comes with this plastic like water cup you can pour your oil in, or your water in, excuse me, sorry. So just pour your water in. It definitely takes more than one of these. It takes about 3. So you could just, if it's easier for you, you could just use like a measuring cup. There is, I probably should have showed it to you before, but there's a red line in here. Don't fill it up past that. I usually do it like a hair right below it. All right, so put the glass dome back over it. Got my oil in there, got my water in there. Okay, remote, power on. You gotta point at it. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Beautiful. You can hear the music. I'm gonna turn it up. Right now it's like a chiming noises, but it does change. Here, let me turn my lights off. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. So you got some green, you got some orange. You can also change it yourself. There's an LED button. So for now, I'll just change it myself and show you. You got white, green, orange, blue, pink. And then you could just turn it off if you just want the scents and not the lights going on at nighttime. So those are all the pretty colors. Okay, and then if you want for it to go like all night, you could hit 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours. So you just hold the 2 hour down. And once you select what time, how long you want it on for, like I just selected 2 hours, it'll change colors on its own. And if you don't want it to change colors on its own and you want just a specific color, you just hit the LED light and it'll stay on green, if that's like your favorite color. For me, I like it when it switches colors, so I'm just going to hit the 2 hour one and it'll switch colors on its own. So that's the remote. Really nice to have. This Valor smells amazing, by the way. I can see why so many people like that. It's a confidence booster. Oh, the music stopped. You can turn the music on and off too. You don't have to have that on. This is just so beautiful. I love this diffuser. It's amazing. So right now it has like raindrops. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's a nice sound. So that's that. Let me turn the audio off so you guys can hear me. Okay, turn my lights back on. Alright, so that's the kit. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys liked my video. If you have any questions, you can message me. And if you want to start your oily journey, let me know. You can inbox me. So that's the Aria diffuser kit. All right, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Have a nice day. God bless.